everybody, welcome to a new episode in my course. Today I'm gonna learn about the selectors in CSS. There is a lot of selectors in CSS actually, but today I'm gonna take some of them. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing, I will have some screenshots, some images that we would do. Okay, so here we have this image. Okay, this screenshot. Here we have the body. Matches the body element, applies to the whole document. For example, here we have a document. And we make the body font family cursive. Means all the elements in the body, all the text in the body will be cursive in the body. Means matches the body element, applies to the whole document, everything inside the body. Okay, let's get another so body is an structure, body element. You can use element. So here we have another screenshot. Just a minute. Okay, so here we have another screenshot. Here we go. So here we can use type selector, like for example P color blue. That means that everything in all the paragraphs in your HTML will be in color blue. Okay, so here we have EM. EM means emphasis, means any letter that is what mentioned to be italic. Also the font size of it will be large. Okay, so let's try in Visual Studio Code. We can try doing that rule. So we can just divide the screen. Okay, so here we can go to test.html. Okay, so here we can divide our screen. Okay, so here we can, for example, make an example. I want to here make emphasis, important note. Okay, now if I just go live, open the server, it will be emphasized. Okay, here let me close this. Okay, so let's return and make it also font size large, but without typing more things with EM. So what we're gonna do, write it before the EM, because the code reads from the first line till down. So we start the style. Okay, style. Okay, so here we have the EM font dash size. Okay, so here we have it large. Okay, now after we are done, we can refresh and we find it larger and emphasized, but in the text we didn't write anything more. Okay, let's try doing this in CSS. Okay, so here we can write EM. Let's try. For example, I want to make it in font dash size large. Okay, and I link it to the where is the test file? Yeah, I link it to it. So let's try refreshing. Also the same. You can do it from HTML or you can do it on CSS. Both ways can work properly. So that was the lesson for today, and see you in the next video, inshallah.